Hey, I had another question. Can kids do intermittent fasting? Very good question. Absolutely. In fact, they should, especially if they're overweight. Okay, if you want to help a child lose weight, intermittent fasting is the most powerful thing. The problem is you have to get their agreement because sometimes it's difficult. A lot of kids love to snack and they just cannot snack. I would start with 3 meals a day, and at the meal you're going to have to make some really good keto bombs or cookies. I'll put some links down below. And that way they're not going to be hungry or craving. Now, if you could eventually go to 2 meals a day, that would be incredible, but just make sure those meals are really nutrient dense. It's not about calories, it's about nutrient dense. So they're going to have to do large salads, do the kale shake with fruit, things like that, with a little bit of berries, I'm sorry, not fruit. So you start off with 3 meals, no snacks, then go down to 2 meal. I would not do 1 meal unless the child is really, really overweight. So on top of that, I'm going to recommend you supplement because a lot of teenagers just don't consume the balance of nutrients that they need. Now, what if the child's not overweight and they're in the sports and they're thin? What do you do? I would still recommend this. I would do 3 meals a day, but I would probably add some starch because if you don't, their metabolism is so fast, they're going to just get too thin. And I'm talking about adding a red potato, yam with butter, wild rice, beans, sprouted bread. It's called Ezekiel bread. And I think you actually have a very healthy child. Okay, thanks for watching. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now, and we'll send you a report.